Hello everyone, today our topic is how to create Zoho CRM lead from ActiveCampaign Contact. So today our objective is that whenever a new contact is created in ActiveCampaign, we want to create a new lead in Zoho CRM. For that, we are going to create an integration between ActiveCampaign and Zoho CRM. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use triggers and action. In trigger application, we will be using ActiveCampaign. In action application, we will be using Zoho CRM. For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we have Zoho CRM and ActiveCampaign applications. And as we all know, ActiveCampaign provides us cloud-based marketing and sales automation software with features like email marketing, lead scoring, and CRM platform. It also has a live chat message platform. And on the other hand, we have Zoho CRM, and which act as a single platform to bring our sales, marketing, and customer support activity together. And it also streamlines this process and people in one platform. So today our objective is to create an integration between Zoho CRM and ActiveCampaign in such a manner that whenever a new contact is added in ActiveCampaign, it will generate a new lead in Zoho CRM with the same details, and I'm going to automate this process. For this automation and integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. And if you already have an account, you can just sign in. It will take us to this page where we can see all these tools that Pabbly offers. We are going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have this workflow section, and we can see all the workflow that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder from here, and we can save our workflow in the particular folder that we want. Now we are going to create a workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button, and I'm going to name my workflow. I will name it as ActiveCampaign and Zoho CRM Integration. Now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow in, which is Home. So I will click on Create, and it will take me to this most important window of my workflow. And here we have two boxes, triggers and action. So these two are the main principle on which our workflow works. So trigger says when this happens, action say do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. Now we are going to set up a trigger application, and our trigger application will be ActiveCampaign. So I will search for that. I will click here. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab, and my trigger event will be contact added. So it will trigger when a new contact is added to a list. So I will click here. I will connect my account. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting my account, I have to give an API key and URL. For this, I have to go back to my ActiveCampaign application. And here it says, log into your ActiveCampaign account, click on your setting tab on the left sidebar area and select developers tab. From the drop down menu, you will find the API key. So we will do the same. We will go back to my ActiveCampaign application. I'll go to the settings. I will find developer options. And here we can see we have these two options, URL and key. I will first reset this API key. And I will copy this API key. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I will paste that key here. Now I will go back to ActiveCampaign and copy this URL, and I will paste it here. So we want the ActiveCampaign in this format. So I will clear this, and I will click on Save. So my account is connected successfully. So in my contact list, I only have one list, which is master contact list. So I will map this, and I will give a webhook name, and I will give it as testing, and you can name it as your purpose. I'll click on Save and Send Test Request button. Here it says it is waiting for response. So we will go back to ActiveCampaign, and here we will go to Contact section, and I will add a new contact here. I will fill the dummy details here. So my first name will be new, last name will be contact, email will be newcontact123@pabblyconnect.com, and I will give a random phone number. And I will click on add, and I will add it to the master contact list. So I will apply, and as you can see, my contact is added. So this is my contact. So name of my contact is new contact. This is the email address, and this is the phone number. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see we got the response. So this is the phone number. So last name is contact, first name is new, and email address is newcontact123@pabblyconnect.com. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my action so that whenever we will get a new contact added in our ActiveCampaign, we will generate a new lead in Zoho CRM. For that, I will open this tab and I will search for my action application, which will be Zoho CRM. I'll click here. I will give an action event. So my action event will be insert/update record. And I will connect my account. I will click on add new connection. I'll click on connect with Zoho CRM. And here it is asking for the domain. So let's go back to Zoho CRM. And here we can see my domain is zoho.in. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll put my domain zoho.in. I will click on save. I will accept this to connect my account. So my account is successfully connected. And here we are getting all these details. So first I will select the module name. So I want to create new leads. I will select leads. I'm going to fill all the required details that I want, and I'm going to map all these details. And for mapping, I'm going to use the trigger response that we got earlier in the ActiveCampaign response. So I'm going to map first name. For mapping, I'll click here. I will open the response. I will select the details that I want to map. First name. Similarly, I will map the last name. And I will map the email. And the phone number. So why I'm using this mapping? So that whenever I get a new response in my trigger response, I will get these details exchange in the real time. So I will get the real data in the real time. So I have filled all the details that I want. Now I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we are getting this positive response of success. To check whether we have generated a new lead in Zoho CRM or not, let's go back to Zoho CRM. Let's go to lead section. I will refresh this. And here we can see we have this new lead. And the lead name is new contact. Email is newcontact123@pabblyconnect.com, and the random phone number that we have put earlier in our ActiveCampaign. So we are generating this new lead from our ActiveCampaign contact. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see that our integration is successful and we have created this workflow. So in this workflow, we are doing is that whenever we are getting a new contact added in ActiveCampaign, we are generating a new lead in Zoho CRM. So let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger, and trigger application was ActiveCampaign, and our trigger event was contact added. Then we have set up our action, action application was Zoho CRM and our action event was insert/update record. So our workflow is completed, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And also I will put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.